Hey guys, so this is part 2 of the video that we were doing. The previous video was about simplification, right? Simplification, the algebraic fraction. So let's do part B. Let's see a different example and see how it goes. Cool. So this, I'm gonna call this B, and the question is just 6 to the power of 0, r to the power of 7. And u to the power of negative 6 over 7 cubed r to the negative 8 u to the negative 8, right? So this is the expression that we have. Now what are we going to do with this? So we usually analyze what we have. In the first video I told you that I showed you some of the index law that we were using, and I'm pretty much confident that we'll be using the same index law. But then analyze what we have. We've got some real numbers, natural numbers if you want, and we've got some expressions, right? So the aim again is to just use the index law and get this done. Right, let's get started. So my first line will be something like, breaking this down, 6 to the power of 0 over 7 cubed times by r to the power of 7 over r to the negative 8 times by u to the negative 6 over u to the negative 8, right? So this is my first line. Now my second line is to try to evaluate or simplify each of them, right? So we know this is a rule. We know that any number to the power of 0, any real number or natural number to the power of 0 is always 1. So 6 to the power of 0 is 1 over 7 to the 7 cubed. Now, this one, if you don't know, if you don't have your calculator with you, or if your numbers are bad, then don't worry about it. Just leave like that for now. Now, let's move on to the next bit. Next bit, we have got r to the power of 7. Now, the bottom is negative 8. When it goes up, the power becomes positive. So minus, so it was minus, and then it becomes positive. And the next one here, we'll have u to the power of negative 6. However, with negative power, when it goes up, it becomes positive, plus 8. My third line, we'll have, I'm going to leave this as 7 cubed. And you can use your calculator or anything that you want to find out the answer. R will be 7 plus 8 is 15, and times u, negative 6 plus 8, negative positive, the positive is winning, so we have positive plus 2, or 2. And my next line, which could be my final line, would then be r to the power of 15 u squared over 7 cubed. 7 cubed is basically 7 times 7. We know that it's 40. 7 times 7 is 49. And 49 times 7, then that will be looking at something like 49 times 7. So you get 63, 63, 28, 34. Hope this is correct. If it's not, then bad. So the final answer would then be r to the 15 u squared over 343. Yeah, and this is our final answer, guys. Well, thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so you don't miss the next video. Thank you.